Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 most popular sports in the United Kingdom. Number 10. Netball. The Netball Super League was founded, which was the elite netball competition in the UK, Scotland and Wales. Netball Super League is sponsored by Fiat Automobiles. The Netball Super League takes in players from England, Wales, Fiji, Scotland and New Zealand. Number 9. Ice Hockey. The Ice Hockey UK is allied to the International Ice Hockey Federation. IHUK was in fact created to change the British Ice Hockey Association. It arranges different tournaments throughout the UK and is responsible for the good order of the sports in the UK. Number 8. Rowing. The leading body in England for the sport of rowing inside the country is the Amateur Rowing Association of the UK. This rowing association is also liable for the development and organization of international rowing teams on behalf of Great Britain. Number 7. Athletics. Another most popular sports in the list of top 10 most popular sports in the United Kingdom is athletics. England has the most number of athletics of any other country. The large squad of UK athletes consists of athletes like world and Olympic champion Rebecca Adlington and world champion Kerry-Anne Pan. Number 6. Swimming. Competitive swimming in Great Britain has one of the most glamorous athletes in the world, Mark Foster. British Olympic Association and the British Paralympics Association organize different international swimming competitions in Great Britain every year. Number 5. Badminton. The Badminton Association of England has earned praises as one of the most prestigious badminton associations in the world. This badminton association grew gradually and now it is known as Badminton England. It is the governing body of badminton all over the UK and it also has an international presence. Number 4. Tennis. Wimbledon, also known as the most popular tennis tournament, originated in the UK. Around 1877, the first tennis club originated at a small club in the south of London. Wimbledon is one of the 4 Grand Slams which every tennis player aspires to win. Even though this sport is considered individual, it landed 4th into the most popular sports in the country. Number 3. Rugby. Early times only the elite class people played rugby, but it improved gradually. Its popularity increased over time and now many people started actively participating in this sport. Like football, rugby is also promoted by the government of the UK and is run by the Rugby League as well as the Rugby Union. Yorkshire, North West England and Cumbria are some of the places where rugby is very popular. Number 2. Cricket. The origin of cricket in its modern form can be traced back to the early 1800s. In the early days of cricket, only army officers and high-post government officials used to play cricket in their leisure time. There are more than 20 cricket clubs in the UK and there are also thousands of cricket teams in the country. Number 1. Football. The winner of our list of the top 10 most popular sports in the United Kingdom is football. It should be a surprise though, as football is also one of the most popular sports in the world with almost 3.3 billion fans. This game follows the traditional league system and is consists of more than 100 teams. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.